Hey, what's up everybody? It's Silver Seeker, and inside this box we have something very, very cool to look at. We have 50 1-ounce Silver Pandas in here, but the beauty of this one is that I have no idea which dates I'm going to be getting. Now, I do know that it will be anywhere from 2016 to 2020, and it could be a mix of dates, or we may get unlucky and get all of the same date, all 50. I don't know, but I ordered 50 random Silver Pandas, 30-gram versions, which means, again, 16 through 20. And we're going to see which ones we get. So again, they could be all 16s or all 17s, or they could be a whole mix. Could be all 20s. I have no idea what's actually in this box. Just excited to get it open and see what pandas we do have. So let's go ahead and open the box up on this side. I believe they sent me the big box like this because they're probably in the 15 coin trays with some loose ones as well. So let's pull them out and see what we have. Okay, now that we have our box opened here, we have some foam inside. We'll pull it out and let's get that out of the way. And here we go, guys. So we're going to see what we actually have in here. And like I thought, there are some of these trays. So pandas are sometimes shipped in these 15 coin trays. So they don't send them in tubes, even sealed, rolled up tubes like you do with kookaburras and things. They come in these trays. And let's see what we have. It looks like, looking at the reverse of these, as you guys can see, these are all 2017s. Take a look. So 2017 had a pretty nice looking panda collection, or different panda years, I should say. And these are very, very beautiful. So very, very gorgeous 2017 pandas in tray number 1, all 15 of them. And you can see right here, it says China 30-gram Silver Panda random year. So we got 15 of the 2017s. Let's put those aside. Very, very beautiful. Let's see what else we have. There's going to be another tray. Okay. Well, so far, guys, we are 2017 again. So not very random right now. That is our second tray of 2017s. It'd be nice if maybe they could throw me a bone and maybe give me a different year in the third tray. Let's go ahead and find out. And of course, we'll have 5 loose ones in here as well, unless they sent me... Nope, I don't feel a 4th tray. I was going to say, unless they sent me a 4th tray with, you know, a bunch of empty holes. All right, let's pull this out. This one is wrapped up in the foam. And let's see. Oh, you kidding me? Not very random, is it? 2017. So we now have 3 trays of 2017s. Okay, so there should be 5 more pandas in here. All right, I do feel there is a package right there, and we have some more foam. So, at least let's go ahead and get the camera just a little bit closer, and we'll open up the last pack and see what we have inside of the final pack. Are they all going to be 2017s like the other 3 trays? Because we've now gotten 45 17s, but maybe since these are probably packaged in the individual plastic packaging, maybe we'll have a variety of dates in here. But right now, I'm already like, well, I really was hoping for like 3 different trays of 3 different years. But again, it's random. I randomly got 45 17s. All right, here we go. First one we have. Look at that, guys. 2017. Not very random so far. All right, second one. Hey, here we go. We do have a different year. This is the 2018. So we have 2017 and 2018. Looks like there's a little hair. No, that's a crack. Okay. Looks like there's a little crack inside the glass, or not the glass, but the plastic capsule on that one. All right, here we go. Hey, 2016. So look, we do actually have randoms when you look at the 3 that have been packaged individually that we've seen so far. This is a 2016 Silver Panda. So we got 16, 17, 18. Maybe a 19 and a 20 are in here as well. Nope. 2017. Definitely the most common one we received. And finally, a 2017. Well, we got 3 2017s, but we also got a 2016 and a 2018 out of the 5 individual ones. But, you know, the biggest thing I was hoping is that these trays right here would have at least had a couple of different years, even if it was just 2 years. And I do apologize about the lighting changing and the focus. I'm not on my normal recording camera right now. I have it down to do something, and so I'm like, well, I can just record this really quick using my old one, so that's what we have going on. But we have 45 2017s, so actually we have 47 2017s. We have a 2018 and a 2016 as well, or 48 2017, so 2016 and a 2018. So kind of fun. Again, I was hoping for a bit more variety. I didn't really want 47 of the same coin, but to be fair, there were only 4 possible years, and to be honest with you, I didn't really actually expect a 20 just because the 2020s do have a higher premium on them than previous years. So, you know, for that reason alone, I didn't really expect 2020s. Anyway, so really it was just going to be 16, 17, 18, 19. Still, would have been nice to have a little bit better of a variety, but either way, it was fun to open them and see what we got. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate you. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you do me a favor before you go. Like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I do hope that you enjoyed the video. If you guys are new here, before you go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any future notifications and videos when I upload them. I also want to give a huge shout out to all of my awesome channel members on the right hand of the screen right now. Thank you guys for making videos like this possible. We will see you next time.